Oh, I'm already recording. Hello guys. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be turning into a visco girl. If you're wondering why I look like I'm on crack, it's because it's 6 in the morning and I just woke up. Beauty sleep has its ugly stages too, so it's fine. I saw this idea on YouTube. Obviously, I'm not the first one that came up with it. I'll link down below the first video I saw. Let's just get right into it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. And every time I've seen this video, I've seen girls turn into one type of visco girl, and that's cute, that's fine. That's what they know. That's the main visco girl. But there's 3 stages to visco. There's the big t-shirt, the Birks, and the scrunchies. That's number 1. Level 1, I'll call her. Level 2 is the tube top and the shorts or the skirt and the Vans. And level 3, the ultimate boss. Those Steve Madden shoes, a dress of some sort. That's what I think when I think ultimate visco girl. Step number 1 for turning into a visco girl is I have to do my makeup. And I don't really want to be doing my makeup right now at 6 in the morning, but like I'm going to. Makeup, it's the same makeup I did in my natural summer beat video, but now that I'm done the makeup, we're going to get into the actual outfit. I'm kind of sticking to a theme for this too. When I think visco, I think yellow, like pastel yellow, bright yellow, yellow. Okay, so that's visco bitch number 1. So the second one is going to be the tube top, the shorts, and the Vans. Little problem with that is I don't have Vans that go with this outfit because I don't have white or yellow ones, and I'm wearing a skirt instead, but like not that different. And because I didn't put my hair up for this one, just because I felt to have it down, I'm gonna put it up for the next one. So what the fuck? I feel like this visco girl would also have on like one of those shell or shark tooth necklaces, but like I don't have one of those because it's not really my vibe, you know what I mean? And an iced coffee, but I don't like iced coffee, so I'm not about to be fake for a video. Okay, so last but not least is going to be the dressy visco girl. So I'm gonna try to do something different with my hair, like a little half up half down moment maybe. This one is probably going to have like a smoothie bowl or something. It just seems like what this bitch should be doing. I don't know if I want to go make a smoothie bowl right now or an acai bowl. I don't know what they're called, but like, it's because my family's still kind of asleep. It's only 7 in the morning, so I don't know if I should do that to them. The aesthetic of it all, I should do it, you know, but aesthetic doesn't matter if my parents are gonna be bitching at me all day, so I guess I'm not going to.
Aesthetic.
So now we out here. I'm about to eat my oatmeal. That burned my mouth. So this is the end of the video. It's probably gonna be really short, but like, it was just a really fast, fun second video for the week because I'm not gonna be posting next week because I have an exam. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I will see you in my next one.